Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea with variables. If you've been to BootUpPD.org, you may have noticed that we've got a bunch of different projects that use variables. Like this one has it in the thumbnail. We've got some more right here to be able to keep score. There's a bunch of them. But we've also got some projects that show you how to use some of the pen blocks to be able to create street art, architect simulator, and even carving some pumpkins, etc. Now, I want to show you a neat idea that combines variables with the pen blocks. Now, the project we're going to take a look at, it's called DotGrid, and it is by Adeo Techno. Now, if you press the green flag, okay, so it says we've got all these different options here. Now, I'm moving the mouse, and it's changing this. And if I move it to the left, it shows the different variables. Okay, so it says, oh, okay, so that changes how it looks. Okay, so sliding it. We can also change the size, make it larger and smaller. I'm going to make it 7. It's my wife's favorite number. Okay, so we've got a grid, so that's how big, like, the background is. So we can make it smaller or larger. Okay, distortion. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so if we make it like this, negative, wow, it's like a black hole. That's cool. Okay, so we're messing around with all the different variables. Okay, so we can make it smoother. Okay, so we got it like this. Now if I move it all the way over here, see how slow it's moving? So it's not jerking to the exact location like this. Quick scope, 360. And then we got the color. We can change the color of this. Let's see, what kind of color do I want to go with? Let's go with that one. Yeah, it's an interesting color. And then we can change the shape. Now this part is really cool. So here's what shape number 2 looks like. It's pretty neat. Here's what shape number 3 looks like. It's also pretty neat. I'm going to skip 4. Here's number 5. That's pretty cool. And then we go to 4. This one's my favorite one. That one is sweet. Yeah, so this is a really neat idea. So they're combining the use of variables with pen blocks to be able to create all of this fun stuff. So if you want to see how they actually created this, make sure you check out the link in the description, and we'll show you exactly how they did it, and you can give them a heart and a favorite. And if you want to be able to create some projects kind of like this, check out BootUpPD.org, where you can learn how to create all sorts of really interesting projects in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.